Good day, learner. I welcome you once again to our channel, where we explore the rich culture of Ahanta. Today, we are going to learn about some birds and their Ahanta names. Kindly take your pen and paper and let's learn. So, some birds and their Ahanta names. 1. Cock, akolo yini. Cock, akolo yini. In Ahanta, we use yini and bele for animals. So instead of you to say akolo beyan, you don't say akolo beyan, say akolo yini. That is cock. So akolo yini is cock. 2. Hen. Yes, so in Ahanta, hen is called akolo bele. So any female animal, we use the word bele for them. So akolo bele, hen. Yes. So always use akolo yini for cock and akolo bele for hen. Now we have duck. In Ahanta, duck is called double double. Yes. So we call duck double double. So next time when you see duck, say double double. The next one is guinea fowl. Yes, guinea fowl. Guinea fowl is called akomfemi. Yes, so when you see guinea fowl, just say akomfemi. So you could see that other languages also use similar word. So we also use akomfemi for guinea fowl. So when you go to the market to buy guinea fowl, just say moto akomfemi. The next one is turkey. Turkey. Yes, turkey in Ahanta is called kilakumi. Kilakumi. So we use the word kilakumi for turkey. We use the word kilakumi for turkey. So when you go to the market, say moto kilakumi. The next item is vulture. A vulture in Ahanta is called konvubo. You heard me right, konvubo. When you go to the southern part of Ahanta, some call it pete, but pete is fancy. The Ahanta is konvubo. So always say konvubo, not pete. The next one is hawk. Yes, hawk. I hope you know hawk. In Ahanta, hawk is called kolowa. Yes, so kolowa. The hawk is called kolowa. Some say akroma, but akroma is fancy, not Ahanta. Take note of that. Then the next one is crow. Yes, crow. Some also call it raven. Now in Ahanta, it is called kwanzile. Yes, you heard me. Kwanzile. So when you see this bird, say kwanzile, crow. We call it kwanzile. Yeah, so the next one is eagle. Yes, I hope you heard the name. Eagle, and you know eagle. Eagle in Ahanta is called oholie. Did you hear the name? Oholie. Yes, so oholie. is eagle in Ahanta. So when you see eagle, say Ohorie. The next one here is owl. Yes. Did you hear the name? Owl. You heard me right. In Ahanta, owl is called padulu. Padulu. So yes, when you see this animal or this bird, is called padulu in Ahanta. So padulu is owl in Ahanta. The next one is parrot. Yes, a parrot is a symbol for most of the clans in Ahanta and even Akan as a whole. Now in Ahanta, we call parrot aku. Yes, aku. So aku is parrot in Ahanta. Aku is parrot in Ahanta. So when you see parrot, it's aku. The last one on the item is dove. Yes, in the Bible, this animal came to stand on the shoulders of Jesus Christ. So it's called abubulu. Yes, this bird is called abubulu. So anytime you see a dove, just say abubulu. So in Ahanta, we call dove abubulu. Viewers, this brings us to the end of today's lesson. Please kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.